everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you a little trick, or maybe something that you've never really noticed before, but it was right in front of your nose, is a way that you're able to either sync your edits and have your lock screen and home screen display the exact same image. But maybe you want to have the same image, but you want them to look different, based on the lock screen and home screen. So what I mean by that, for example, let's say that we go all the way down, and let's take a look at wallpapers. Now inside of wallpapers, we're just going to use this example right here because there is something that is offset. So it'll make it super simple to distinguish between the two different images. So let's say that you wanted to have this image set up as your wallpaper, but as your home and lock screen. Now, originally, when you take a look at it, and you can go through and you can edit some things, you can make it look a little bit different if you want it to look like this, but you notice that both of them look the exact same. Well, you have an option here, sync my edits. So let's say that we take this all the way back down to where it was from before. You turn off sync my edits, and maybe when it comes down to the lock screen, you want it to look maybe something like this. And then this way, when you have your lock screen, it's going to look different than whatever your home screen is. So if there's a particular image that you just love, you'd be able to move these around. And again, if you turn on sync my edits, you can go through and you can still change some things, make them look however you want to. You can turn this one off, put it however you want. Again, this is a very, very simple one to take a look at. So let's do this with another image, one that doesn't really have a main focal point a part of it. And so if you wanted to set this one up to make it look pretty cool, originally, again, this is what it would look like. But maybe if you're playing around with it, maybe you like the original image, but then again, you also want to have something maybe, maybe a little bit more abstract, something that kind of looks like this. I don't know. You'd be able to go through, save my edits. You can either have your lock screen go out. You can make this one go right back in. This one actually looks pretty cool. And then if you wanted to have the full image sitting right there, you can be able to have both of them with the same image, but looking different just by doing a simple pinch to zoom. So again, this is called sync my edits. You can go through, and then this way you'd be able to customize your home screen and lock screen with that exact same image, but have them look completely different. But hopefully you guys appreciated this video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hand subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll.